Hi guys, I'm Mark on RC Nerd 74. Today's video is about my Oxy5. I did the final wiring, installation of RC receiver and Flybarless system, and also did the first test flights. I use a 6S setup with 4000 mAh batteries. The reason for this is that I want to use my 6S batteries on all different models I use or I fly on 6S. For example, RC Scrappy. RC Scrappy has to have a low weight as possible, so I took these 4000 mAh also for RC Scrappy, and in this case also for the Oxy5. For this reason, the CG is pretty much in the back, so I moved everything I could into the front of the helicopter. So this was the reason for the installation of the RC receiver and Flybarless system also in the front. And the wiring, the same, all the cables move to the front. So like this, I have a clean setup and the CG almost fits perfect. So I think it's a few millimeters behind the main rotor shaft, but looks pretty good so far. To protect the wires to get damaged from the carbon fiber, I sanded all the carbon fiber edges where the cable come in contact with the carbon fiber, and I additionally also added some shrink tube just to avoid any damage of the cables due to the carbon fiber. I also removed some additional weight, and like this, the setup of the Oxy5 is a pretty lightweight setup on 6S. So this is it, how I fly it, and I'm really happy how the helicopter feels in the air. So enough talking, let's jump onto the flying field and have a look at the first flights. is it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. More Oxy5 stuff will come. I will do some paint repair on the canopy, which is a bit damaged on the front end. And I will also make a video about programming of my Futaba T14 SG transmitter, just to give you an impression what you have to do to make the Futaba radio fit with the Brain 2 Flybarless system. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good time. Happy flying. Bye bye.